We just passed a naked man in the mall and babe was looking at the man. Babe, tell me you weren't looking.
You want present?
You weren't looking at the man. Babe, you weren't looking at the naked man. You guys, shopping is turned up. We are having so much fun. Look at all these bags babe's carrying. Guys, good morning. I'm seriously gonna start calling you guys faves. I've been wanting to start calling you guys faves for a long time, and my reason for calling you guys faves is because you guys are my favorite people in the entire world, because we get to share our memories with you guys, we get to share lives with you guys. I talk to you guys every single day, almost every single day. So as of today, I'm going to start calling you guys faves, short for favorite people. Okay, right babe? So you guys, we are up and about as usual. We are up very early. It's almost 9 a.m. Well, it's exactly 9 a.m. in the morning. And Tyler, you want to say good morning, baby? Say hello. Say hello. No hello? Yeah, say gung gung. You guys, we are about to we should be doing a big shopping today, huge shopping today. I don't know if it's like everywhere else, maybe like in the USA or whatnot, but in France they have sale. They have a huge sale, like twice for the year, babe, like 2 times for the year. They have a huge sale, and the sale for this period began Wednesday. So today is Saturday, and we are going to try to go to this big outdoor mall to try and see if we can pick up some stuff. So we are early. The mall open at 10 and we are like 7 minutes away, and it's 9 a.m. We know it's going to be ram-packed full, so we're hoping to catch a parking. So we're heading early to see if we can catch a parking, and hopefully we get some nice stuff. I don't plan on staying the entire day, but if that's the case, let's see how it goes. My bag is packed with Tyler stuff and I'm prepared for the day. So yeah, what are you guys doing today? I know I didn't work out this morning, but did you guys work out today? Did you? Don't sit and complain and wait and wait and wait. Today is the day you gotta get up and work out. I might just work out later, but don't worry. Yes, baby.
In 3 kilometers, take exit 48 Conyers from
Thank you. Thank you. What you giving me? All right, you guys. So we're on our way, and we'll catch you guys later. You guys, we are here, and we totally underestimated the crowd, or should I say we didn't underestimate it. What's the word?
No, we anticipated too.
We
went there too early.
A huge turnout at this mall, and I think we're here way too early. We're actually here an hour early.
50 minutes. 50
minutes to be exact, earlier than the opening time. And there's no lines to the parking. The parking is partially empty. So what the thing is that you get 3 hours when you go in the parking. You get 3 hours free, and then you start to pay after that. So we're just outside, not going in the parking just yet, close to the opening hour to kind of push back those 3 free hours. So let's see how it goes. You care to say hi, babe? That's his way of saying good morning, you guys. Alright guys, so hopefully we have a successful shopping day. Hopefully I can find some stuff. And oh babe, somebody requested that you should grow back your hair because you look cute with long hair.
Oh no.
I thought about it and I think I'll eventually want him to do that, but not just yet. Maybe further on in life, but I've never seen him. Yes, my love. I've never seen him with long hair apart from his pictures, and I think he's so hot with long hair. You don't think he's sexy with long hair?
I don't know.
You guys, I post a vlog with some old pictures that his sister showed me of him, and he's so
It's just
sexy.
easier like this the morning.
You'd have to style it and spray it and jelly it.
Oh, nothing to do.
Lazy. But I think I'll eventually want him. Yes, my love. I think I'll eventually want him to grow back his hair when he gets a little bit older. But his dad long hair is so neat. What's wrong, Bupo? What is it? You guys, shopping is turned up. We are having so much fun. Look at all these bags babe's carrying. You remember where we are? You guys, we have so much things. We have to come to the car, put them in, and then we're gonna go have lunch and then continue walking around and see if there's anything else that we're gonna need. Catch up with you guys after we finish having lunch. Okay,
Right, let's go.
so Lego. Babe, why are you looking at the naked man like that? Why are you invading his privacy? You're rude. Honey, why were you looking at the man like that? Huh? You weren't looking? You weren't looking?
I was.
You were.
The other one wants to take the picture.
I just passed a naked man in the mall. We just passed a naked man in the mall and babe was looking at the man. Babe, tell me you weren't looking.
You want puzzle?
You weren't looking at the man.
You want puzzle?
Babe, you weren't looking at the naked man. You guys, babe was looking at the naked man. Anyway, you guys, JD, you going in here?
Why not?
Okay. You guys, so the shopping continues. McDonald's and getting something to eat, and then we're just gonna kill the afternoon and go to supermarket and get it over with, and then we head home. I think we have a very successful shopping. We got so much stuff, so yeah, we're about to eat and we'll catch up with you guys in a bit. You guys, what a day this had turned out to be. We have done so much today. We ended up going shopping this morning, having lunch, then going to the supermarket, which was totally unplanned, and now we're at the gas station getting gas.
Yeah.
Before we head home, we're so tired.
It's just turned 4.
It's just 4 o'clock, so it's time for Tyler's snack. We should be home in about 10-15 minutes. so he'll be all right until we get home. All in all, it was a successful day. I'm happy with all my purchases, and there's a few little things that I was hoping that I would get for myself, which I didn't, but I can get those at a later date. So yeah, you guys, we're heading home. Good morning, good afternoon, and good night. It is a brand new day. When we got home yesterday, we just crashed, like completely crashed. I didn't even make dinner. Put Tyler to his bed, and we just got some stuff to eat and went straight to bed because we were so tired and exhausted from the shopping. But this morning I'm up and I have so much to do. I did a bunch of, well, hubby and I did a bunch of cleaning this morning, and I am in the kitchen as usual. Today I'm attempting to use my slow cooker for the very first time. So I got it for Christmas from my mother-in-law. Always wanted one of these slow cooker. I always watch this YouTube channel that I love to watch called The Chapters of Our Lives. She is an amazing young lady. She has 3 kids and she's always cooking. Hey Nat! She's always cooking, and I'm so inspired by her to use this slow cooker. So my mother-in-law got me this slow cooker for Christmas, and I'm here browning some beef, and then I'm going to add all these veggies to it in the slow cooker. So let's see how this will turn out at the end, and I'll let you guys know how my first experience went. Okay you guys, so this is what my beef stew is going to be looking like before I put it into the container for it to cook. So wish me luck. Okay, let's see 8 hours later what's gonna look like. You guys, my day is literally all over the place. I'm so tired. I just finished filming a food video for this week. Well, by the time I see this vlog, the food video would have been for last week. So I'm now having festivals, which I made a entire plate. I don't know who's gonna finish eat them off, but hopefully people will eat them off. You want to see the look that he just gave me, you guys? We'll have festival for the entire week, but festival doesn't taste good after it becomes over one day. But Tyler loves them.
Mama.
Yes, baby.
Mama.
Yeah, bite.
Mama.
Tyler loves them. You like it? Yes, you love festival. Look at him trying to climb up on me. You guys, my first time using the slow cooker is going so well. It smells so good and it looks so good when you look through the little glass seeing the beef cooking. So that's been going well. We've been having a very productive day. We got so much stuff done today. But yeah, baby's over there chilling. Tyler is playing as usual. But I didn't even work out today, but tomorrow, yeah, I have to work out this festival that I'm eating. You want some more?
De la sauce, pour ça? De la sauce?
What sauce? Oh, yeah, you can go for it. I'm just gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, and I'll catch up with you guys tomorrow. So don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and comment down below. Didn't your mother tell you don't talk while you're eating? So let's do this again. I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. Thank you guys for all the support, the continued support. If it's your first time watching us, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, catch up and keep up, and Tyler's gonna say bye-bye. Good job. And baby's gonna say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye guys, and we will catch you guys in tomorrow's vlog.